What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing an oil change on a 3rd gen RDX. So this should be pretty straightforward. What we got here underneath is this little panel here. So you just get your flathead, you twist it, so there's 4 of these guys. So you twist them, and there you have it. Once you twist them, you slide this forward and it comes down. That gets you access to the filter and the oil plug. So here's the drain plug right here. So we're just gonna go ahead. This is a 17. So we're gonna go ahead and just crank that open. Gonna pull this in place and get ready to drain the oil. Okay, so now that we got majority of the oil drained out, I'm gonna clean this up and get ready for the refill. All right, so last thing left here is the filter. You can see right there. So I'm just gonna attach the little adapter here. We're gonna crank that off. All right, so we want to grab our new filter and install that. Okay, since everything's all cleaned up, all we have to do now is put the cover back in place. Like so. And reinstall our little screws here. Okay, so let's go ahead and fill in our oil here. Now this RDX takes exactly 5 quarts of oil with a filter change. So we're gonna go ahead and pour the oil. All right, so after we pour our oil, we'll check the dipstick, make sure we're good to go. And that is it. It's that simple to do an oil change on a 3rd gen Acura RDX. So as for this video, we're done. I'll catch you guys on the next one.